When someone has purchased your course, you might want to offer them some other products that you have. It might be another course that you have. You might also want to give them information through a thank you page. Sometimes you might want to redirect them to an external link. You can actually do this in Thinkific by making use of one of the functions that are in the settings. So these are called flows, after purchase flows. So right now I'm going to show you how you can access these flows. You go to your courses, and then I'm going to make use of this marketing course. Once you click it, it takes you to these settings, and we go to after purchase. Now you will notice that you can add flows here. So you simply add a flow. As you can see, I have two prices here, which means there are two courses, there are two pricing methods that I have done for this course. You can be bought at 20 or 40. So a flow can be attached to one or both of the offers I'm making. The destination, as we talked about, you can send someone to the thank you page, to the course player directly, or to a custom URL. Maybe it's your website or a different site that you want to show the person. So in this case, I want to show the thank you message, and I would like to upsell or to show additional products that I have that the person can also purchase. It's really a good thing to pitch your products just after someone has bought. They might be interested in buying it. That's why it's an upsell there. In this case, I want to show it for both. I'm going to name the flow to say upsell. You must also take into consideration that whenever you're doing an upsell, the course that you are selling must not be a draft, it must be published. So here is the heading: products that you may be interested in, or a courses, other courses you may be interested in, right? And then you choose the product. In this case, I have an SEO course that I created, so I add it there. Once I do this, I save. So this means that when someone buys a product for either the 20 or 40 package, after they will get a thank you page, and on that thank you page they will be offered another course, which is the SEO course. Right, so we're going to preview what it will look like. So we're going to click here and see. As you can see there, we do have the thank you page. The person can view their receipt there, they can start learning, but below that, other courses you may be interested in. So there's this $30 course where a person can just purchase. So this is something that is quite handy. It might also help you to have additional sales within a short period of time. So this is how upsells work. You can also add another flow. In this case, we are done with this upsell.